this is how to separate out the events so that each stimuli type has its own file. So what we're going to do is go to, okay, so I have epoch data here. So it's already been epoched out. So I'm going to go to edit, select epochs or events. And then for type here, I'm going to type the kind of stimuli that I want to keep. So using the stimulus code. So say I want to keep right now all the angry faces. So I would do just type AF. And then click OK. Click OK. This is saying that it's going to delete the other epochs. And then I want to save this as, we'll call it 008, which is the subject number, AF, which is the event type that we kept here. And I could save it as a file, which I'm going to do. So just do 008.af, and I can I'll stick it on the desktop. And I'll save it as a .sat, and then I'm going to click OK, and there it is. Now, if I want to do the next one, I'm going to go back to the data set that I started with, which is this data set number 7, using the data sets here. And then I go, again, edit, select epochs or events. And then if I want to do an event that only has one letter, there's kind of a bug in EEG Lab, so you have to do it a slightly different way. So let's say I wanted to keep only the event type A files. I would need to type all of the other ones and then set not these. So the stimuli that are left is going to be AF, AI, N, NF, J, JF, and F and FF. So this is a list of all the stimuli type except for the one I want to keep, which is just A, and then I'm going to set not these. Click OK, and click OK again, and then we're going to call this 008A, and save this also as a file on the desktop. 008A, click save, click OK, and that one is also on my desktop. And then you're just going to keep going through the same process over and over again for all of the stimuli types that you have. So we would do it the first way that I showed for the AF and the FF, the JF, and the NF. And then the second way I showed, you would do that for the A, N, F, and J stimuli types. And then if we want to check and make sure it works, you can do you can do plot, channel data scroll, and then we see that only the A stimuli types were kept here throughout the whole thing, which is good. That's what we wanted. And if we want to go back to the first data set we did, that's this guy here. We can do plot, channel data scroll, and we see that it only kept the AF files, which is good.